Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be discussing editing documents in OneDrive as well as editing PDF documents in OneDrive and whether that's actually possible. So let's get right into it. OneDrive is basically Microsoft's own cloud storage service, similar or pretty much the same as Google Drive is for Google. So it's basically just a place or a service where you can upload your files, secure them and store them on a cloud storage service, access them from different devices, maybe back up your files and your devices, and so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, you can add files to your OneDrive storage. As you can see here, this is a PDF that comes with OneDrive where it just explains the basics, what you can do, how you can do it, and so on and so forth. Now, one thing to know about PDFs, PDFs are basically a file format where you need a certain type of software to edit them. You cannot edit them as is. Even from your computer, you'll be hard-pressed to find anything that's native to your PC that you can use to edit them. You do need to download and install other software, which you will then use to edit them. Same goes for OneDrive, except I don't think you can download any extension for OneDrive to edit them. The only way that you can edit PDF files is to either download them and then enter them into that software and then re-upload them, or just finding something that can convert them to a different file on the internet. Now, you can get TXT files and you can edit them freely, and you can probably edit other docx files, such as for Word and so on and so forth, but that isn't the topic of this tutorial, and neither do I know if that's 100% the case, so I'll just leave it at that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.